Are you still buying baby food? No, sweetie, when you can make your baby food at home with just 5 ingredients. Hello sweetie, welcome back to my channel. Today is your first time coming across this channel. You are watching Lady B Kitchen. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm super excited to be sharing with you one of the best way you can make your baby food at home. This time around, you don't need to buy baby food anymore when you can make your baby food at home with just 5 ingredients. Your baby food is ready. Let's dive into this video. Making this baby food, these are all the ingredients I will be needing. I'm going to leave the name in the screen so you can see the names of the ingredients. Any supermarket available on your street, you can get this. It's just a simple ingredient you can get in any available supermarket. So I'm going to transfer everything inside this large bowl and mix everything together. Beside the bowl, I have Atta, so that is blended Atta. You can use unblended one, you can mix it with these ingredients like this. So because this one is already blended, that is why I'm going to make use of it separately. So I'm going to still show you how I'm going to make use of this. I will not just make use of it like that. I'm still going to take you to the process on how you can make use of it. After mixing all of it together, I'm going to turn everything inside this bigger bowl. Now I will introduce 1 bowl of water, then I'm going to be using this water to give it a good wash. Washing this is very important. It's very important because it's a baby food. So after washing the first water, I will show you how dirty it looks. And when I'm done washing everything, I will still show you how clean it is. So that is how we have to wash it so that it will enable our baby to eat. So first of all, I will wash with first water, then stream out the water, then take it back about 3 to 4 different times before I will achieve a clean wash.
Check it out.
Here is the first water I used to wash. You can see how dirty it looks. So now I'm going to throw this out there, add in fresh water and keep washing. Now I'm done washing. This is the outcome. At this point, it's washed and it's clean to use. So my people, it's very important to give this a very good wash. You can see how the water is looking at this point. It's looking different and it's looking so clean and fresh. So mean that the food is well washed and is clean to use. So now I will just drain out this water. After draining out the water, in some case they will tell you to spread it in a bigger bowl or a large drain so that the water will get dry. But this process is not going to be like that. I'm going to take you to another best process that you can make your baby food and look healthy for them to eat. First of all, we turn everything inside this cooking pot. His cooking pot is the same time frying pot. After introducing everything inside this pot, in some case they will tell you to start frying until everything will get dry. You can't just fry if you do not soak it. If you want to just fry it at this point, first of all you have to soak it for some hours before you can just start frying it. But you just frying it, I don't think it's healthy for babies to eat. So that is why I follow this process. First of all, adding a water that will enable this to cook for 30 minutes before I will start frying the food. If you follow my previous video on how you can make your rice powders for babies to eat, you can see the process I follow is the process of, first of all, you have to soak it for 8 hours before you can start drying it. So this case is different. I'm just not going to soak it, I'm going cooking it before I will get it fried. So what I will be adding next is salt. So salt is very good for food and is very good to add in a baby food as well. So now I will be adding a teaspoon of salt. Then I will stir everything together until everything gets combined. So next I will do is to cover this to cook for 30 minutes. So I'm going to be cooking this with medium heat. Use low heat, depend how you trust your heat. So I'll just low everything. I'm going to be 15 minutes later, I come to check on it and see how it's being done. After 15 minutes later, this is how it look. I will just stir, then cover again to complete the 30 minutes cook. Now it's time to prepare the atta. So over here I have my oven pan. So I will transfer everything inside the oven pan, then spread it and add it. I will transfer it inside the oven, then I will be toasting this for 5 minutes with medium heat. The oven was set on 120 degrees. So now I will just transfer everything and add it inside the oven and give this 15 minutes to get toast. 30 minutes of cooking the food. So this is the outcome. You can see the big and how rice this look. So at this point this is done cooking. So all I'm going to do next is to start stir frying, meaning that at this point I have to start stir frying so that it will get dry. So now it has cooked. It's very soft at this point. I really like the fact that I first of all cook it before frying it. It made the food look so nice and look so healthy for the kids. So at this point it's cooked, and what I'm going to be doing next is to stir fry. So now I'm going to stir fry until the food is dry and ready to blend. Ever since I'm making this food, this is the best process I ever seen, and I really like it. You can see how soft this look. So now I will just make sure that everything is get dry before blend. After stir frying, this is how it look. At this point it's ready to blend. I'm just going to transfer everything inside the blender. It took me about 30 minutes to get this dry, so I have to stir fry all the way. So now it's ready to use. So it's very important to make sure that it's dry like this so that it will last as long as you want. Now the atta is ready. The atta is now ready to use. So at this point you can just use this atta like this. So it's now now I'm done blending the food, so this is what I have after blending. Check it out. You can see how smooth this look. So now it's time for me to add in the atta inside the food. I will just add it inside the streamer, then stream it on top of the food. Then I will mix everything together until it gets combined. Now the food is ready, so everything is ready at this point. You can see how smooth and nice this look. So over here I have my saving bowl. So here is the bowl I used to save my children's food. So I'm going to transfer everything inside this bowl, then keep it aside for future use. If you have to ask me about this video, free to ask. I will leave you guys for now. I'm having some issue recording this video, so let's see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed. Share our video, to leave your comments, and anything that is there you don't understand, let me know in the comment section. See you in the next one. Bye.